Hello Harmonicats! Tomlin here. So I've been drooling over Joel Anderson's custom harmonicas for years now, and every so often I go onto his website and spend hours ogling all of his offerings. Most recently, when I went on his site, I noticed something different, something wild, something unheard of. The JA Harmonicas D10 Diatonic harmonica, which comes with a whopping $1,000 price tag. Yes, you heard that correctly. $1,000 or thereabouts, given the exchange rate to Swedish krona. So obviously, I asked Joel if I could borrow one to try. A few months later, a very exciting parcel arrived. When I opened it, I realized that Joel hadn't sent me a review model. Instead, I opened up this beautiful case engraved with my name to find a beautiful harmonica, also engraved with my name. This is a very, very special gift, and I'm extremely grateful to Joel for sending it to me. But this is not a sponsored video, and I'm going to be entirely honest about what I think of this harmonica. I'm also going to attempt to answer the question, is it actually worth $1,000? Alright, first of all, let's run through the spec. So, the reeds are brass, they're actually marine band reed plates. The comb is paper stone, the cover plates are paper stone, the tuning is Richter in a compromised tuning. Construction is sandwich style with full-length closed cover plates. Joel uses a CNC machine to mill the combs and cover plates out of a super hard and durable and, most importantly, food-safe material called paper stone. The reed plates are Hohner marine band plates. And that's only half the story. Because although the reed plates started out as standard marine band reed plates, they have been heavily modified, starting with removing all the reeds, flat sanding the plates, converting to screws instead of rivets, reshaping, gapping, tuning, embossing, and some super secret stuff to lengthen the life of the reed. Okay, that's all very nice, but what does it mean for the sound? And what does it mean for the playability? So whenever I talk about custom harmonicas, students always ask the same questions. Is it easier to bend? Can it overblow and overdraw? And the quick answer is yes to all of the above. But that's not really what's interesting about this harmonica or customs in general. The harmonica plays perfectly from hole 1 all the way up to hole 10 with the full range of dynamics. So I can play from whisper quiet to screaming loud without any issues whatsoever. Joel's managed to create a reed profile which overblows easily, but not to the detriment of being able to play hard. And that's not easy. Often, easy overblows come at the expense of being able to play harder. This harmonica has done something very special. It's inspired me to play differently, to play more musically, to be more vocal and expressive. And interestingly, that's actually transferred over to my other standard harmonicas. I'm approaching playing totally differently now. Okay, so there is an elephant in the room. The price. Is the harmonica worth it? Yes. But, in my opinion, the harmonica is totally worth it. The amount of time and expertise that Joel is pouring into each one of these is absolutely insane. To be honest, I wouldn't want to put that much work into anything and only be paid $1,000. That said, there is nothing that the D10 does that a Marine Band Deluxe doesn't do. But this harmonica is something special. I even treat it differently to my other harmonicas. I don't leave it in the studio at night. It comes home with me and is lovingly placed on my bookshelf. I don't want it to get cold or lonely. So, if you can afford to buy one or even a whole set, You should. The harmonicas are beautiful and very inspiring. If you can't afford it, you can still get a little bit of the Joel Anderson magic with his basic custom rockets for around $130. And I am seriously considering buying a full set of D10s once I've saved up. Okay, you can find out more about Joel's harmonicas just by clicking in the link below. And if you want to hear about some more commonplace harmonicas, click up here to see my shootout between Seidel, Suzuki, and Hohner. All right, happy harping!